In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change email address on Wix. To get started, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Make sure you are signing into the account where you want to update the email address. This is important because your account email is connected to important Wix notifications, account access, security alerts, and other account-related messages. Once you are logged in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully before moving on, especially if you manage more than one site or account. After you are inside your Wix account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This icon may appear as a small circle, your initials, or a profile image if you have added one before. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Wix keeps your personal account options, billing-related access, and settings connected to your main Wix profile. Once the menu opens, look for the option called Account Settings. Click Account Settings to continue. This will take you to the area where you can manage details related to your Wix account, including your login email and other account preferences. It may take a second for the settings page to open, so wait until the full page is visible before selecting anything else. Now that you are in Account Settings, look through the page until you find the Account Email section. This section shows the email address currently connected to your Wix account. For privacy and security, avoid reading the current email address out loud or sharing it on screen if you are recording. The Account Email section is the part you need, because it controls which email address is used for signing in and receiving important Wix messages. When you have located the Account Email section, click Change Email. This opens the option to update the email address on the account. Wix requires this process to be handled through the account settings because changing an email address affects your login details and account security. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct section before entering the new information. Next, enter the new email address that you want to use for your Wix account. Type it carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces or spelling mistakes. Since this new email address will be used for future account communication, it should be one that you can access easily. It is also important that the new email inbox is active, because Wix will send a verification message there later in the process. After entering the new email address, Wix will ask you to enter your current password to verify the change. This step confirms that the person making the update has permission to access and modify the account. Enter your current Wix account password in the password field. Do not share the password, display it publicly, or say it out loud while recording. This verification step helps protect your account from unwanted changes. Once the new email address has been entered and your current password has been added, click Save. This submits the email change request to Wix. After clicking Save, the update may not be fully complete right away, because Wix needs to confirm that you actually have access to the new email address. The final part of the process is to check the inbox for your new email address. Wix will send instructions to that email so you can verify the update. Open the message from Wix and follow the instructions inside. This usually involves confirming that you want to use the new email address for your account. Once the verification is completed, the new email address will be connected to your Wix account. That covers everything you need to know about changing your email address on Wix.